What do the heads of the American presidents on Mount Rushmore have in common with a driveway? What does clean drinking water have in common with a beautiful garden? And what does the Kaiser Wilhelm Gedächtniskirche in Berlin have in common with a living room? These are all places where Kärcher machines are used. Kärcher is a world market leader in cleaning technology and has a range of more than 3,000 products, from practical window vacuums, high-pressure cleaners and scrubber dryers to truck washes. Around the globe, Kärcher today provides solutions for the cleaning requirements and needs of its customers. The success story begins with one of the most important German inventors and entrepreneurs, Alfred Kärcher. He is as well known as some of the most famous Swabian engineers, such as Robert Bosch and Gottlieb Daimler. In 1935, the young technophiliac tinkerer establishes his own company. He initially focuses on industrial heating systems. In 1950, Kärcher launches the first high-pressure cleaner onto the market. Following the premature death of Alfred Kärcher, Irene Kärcher, the wife of the founder, takes over the management of the company in 1959. Under her leadership, the company is internationally aligned and in 1974 focuses entirely on high-pressure cleaners and subsequently cleaning technology. In 1984, the company enters the consumer business. With the first high-pressure cleaners for consumers, a new market is created. Following the death of Irene Kärcher in 1989, the next generation takes over the responsibility for the company. The company is further internationalized, the range of products is extended, and new business areas are developed. What started out as a workshop is today a globally operating company with more than 10,000 employees from 130 countries, a turnover of 2 billion euros, and a world market leader in cleaning technology. What's the secret behind this astounding success? Cleaning is not a science, but cleaning, although a basic necessity, depends largely on the development of a country and its people, temperature, lifestyle, or what methods are used. For us, it's all the more important that we're close to our customers, understand their problems and find a solution. This is why we need to be on the spot. This is why our customers are so important to us and why our business revolves around them. This is the basis on which innovations evolve at Kärcher. Innovations are not a coincidence. The company makes research and development investments that are well above average, and each year launches over 120 new products onto the market. 90% of products sold are a maximum of 5 years old. CAD model, virtual reality, prototype. This is how new products are developed. Prior to being launched onto the market, they're thoroughly tested. Environmental compatibility, low consumption values, outstanding functionality and safety. Only when a new machine passes every test is it mass-produced. The main emphasis here is on controlling different production volumes, from manual one-off production to highly automated mass production. The challenge, to maintain the highest standard of quality, even when over 20,000 products are being produced per day. The aim, 0 defects throughout the process. This begins the moment goods are received. Only perfect components and materials find their way to the production line. This is where Kärcher is highly efficient, by flexibly linking production processes, teamwork, and the possibility to assign employees to different activities. Every product is tested 100%. Only when everything functions perfectly is the product ready for sale. With 100 companies in 60 countries and a network of about 40,000 customer service centers, Kärcher is represented throughout the world. Our claim is that our customers can purchase our products wherever they are. This means we sell them both virtually and physically with Kärcher centers. Our customers expect not to have to go out of their way to buy our products. Top service for our customers. This is only possible with competent, motivated and reliable employees. And with employees who are able to constantly further develop their skills in a good working climate. Kärcher therefore invests heavily in training and further training. This creates continuity and is a valuable investment in the future viability of the company. Economic success and sustainable development have always gone hand in hand. Kärcher has a strong sense of social responsibility. The family business sponsors numerous charitable projects throughout the world, supports social institutions, and provides immediate vital aid following natural disasters. Environmental protection plays an important role. Kärcher products are constantly optimized for environmental compatibility and resource conservation. In cooperation with environmental organizations, Kärcher is committed to protection of the diversity of species and conservation of freshwater resources throughout the world. Our responsibility for the environment and conservation of values has always been part of our philosophy. This is why Kärcher is committed to the preservation of historic buildings worldwide. Here it's necessary to master complex cleaning tasks under difficult conditions. Kärcher stands for cleaning expertise in a constantly changing market.
Anpassung an ständigen Wandel ist eigentlich das Entscheidende.
Adapting to change is what's important. This adaptation must be continuous because change is continuous. Change is permanent, and the willingness to change, be flexible and adapt are preconditions for survival and successful survival. The company remains true to its own high requirements. Kärcher will continue to create innovations and set standards in technology and customer satisfaction. Kärcher will continue to strive to be the best. Kärcher will continue to create values for customers, employees and the company. Today and tomorrow, worldwide.
Kärcher makes a difference.